Here's what's known so far about the tragic Air India Boeing 787 crash in Ahmedabad on June 12, 2025. Airplane departure crash overview. Flight AI-171, or Flight 2025, took off from Ahmedabad at about 1:38 p.m. IST, 8:08 Coordinated Universal Time, en route to London Gatwick. It climbed only 200 to 600 feet before losing altitude and crashing into the BJ Medical College hostel nearby. On board were 230 passengers and 12 crew. Ground casualties also occurred when it hit the medical campus. This became the deadliest Indian aircraft disaster in decades, with at least 241 to 274 people killed overall. Only one survivor, British Indian national Vishwash Kumar Ramesh, walked away with minor injuries. Military medal pilot and witness response. The flight crew, comprising Captain Sumit Sabharwal, 8,200 hours experience, and First Officer Clive Kundar, 1,100 hours, issued a mayday call, but communication then ceased. Ramesh, seated near an exit, reported flickering cabin lights and a loud bang, possibly related to engine failure and deployment of emergency systems. Magnifying glass investigation and cause. Preliminary evidence points to a dual-engine power failure, likely related to General Electric GEnx engines, rather than lift issues or bird strikes. The RAT deployment and cruise distress call support this. Both the flight data recorder and cockpit voice recorder have been recovered, and India's DGCA, aided by UK and US investigators, is analyzing them. Meanwhile, Air India is grounding inspections of all its Boeing 787s. Heartbreak, human toll and aftermath. Victims included nationals from India, 169, UK, 53, Portugal, 7, and Canada, 1. Among those killed was former Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani. DNA testing has begun, identifying over 32 victims so far, with 14 sets of remains returned to families. UK authorities also mourn. A newly engaged British-Indian couple from Leicester were among the victims. And what happens next? Investigators will analyze black box data and engine systems to pinpoint exactly what failed. DGCA has launched inspections across the Boeing 787 fleet in India. Boeing and GE Aerospace are cooperating as part of a major review into possible engine or fuel system issues. This remains a developing story. I'll keep monitoring for updates about the investigation's findings or safety advisories.